A trio of Trump supporters recently had their second lawsuit to get Trump reinstated as president of the United States dismissed by the United States Supreme Court. So they already had one dismissed by the Supreme Court back in January. Now they've had one dismissed by the Supreme Court in February. And according to their little leader of the trio, they're now moving on to Plan C, folks. Although they didn't give us any details about what Plan C actually is. But here is what the leader put in a Facebook post. Second petition denied. Moving on to Plan C. We have been working long and hard on these strategies, and there are more to come. We understand this to be a possible long but worthy goal. The result is that everyone in this nation will have the peace of mind that comes from knowing that the candidate of their choice will be bound by their oath to protect the rights and freedom of the people they represent. A statement that, by the way, means absolutely nothing, and I guarantee you this moron couldn't tell you what exactly he meant when he just typed out that word salad there. But they got Plan C coming. Again, he said, look, we're going to tell you later in the week what Plan C is. Well, we're later in the week. No Plan C. But if Plan C doesn't work, as you clearly just heard, they got more of them. We got plans D, E, F, G, all the way probably to X. At that point, we may hang it up. We don't know yet, but we've got lots of plans to reinstate Donald Trump as president. It is February of the year 2023. Donald Trump lost the presidential election in November of 2020. Okay? We are 27, 28 months past that. And these nitwits, which is probably the nicest word I can use to describe them, are still trying to ask the Supreme Court to overturn that election. Even though there is really no legal mechanism in the United States to even do that, even though half of that term that Trump, according to them, won is already over. And by the way, idiots, you do realize if you were to get Donald Trump reinstated today, he would not be able to run for president in 2024. Do you know that? Do you understand that? Or are you genuinely that friggin' stupid? I don't know, maybe you are. Maybe he hasn't hit that threshold yet. Maybe he can still run. But either way, he's already running for president again, so why don't you give it up? Clearly he has given it up. I know he hasn't stopped talking about it. I know he's going to talk about it till the end of time. Even if he were to win in 2024, he'll never shut up about 2020. But at least he's like, okay, well, I'm running again. Let's just do it again. But these morons, these true believers, they should not be allowed to just continuously file these idiotic lawsuits. We have seen lawyers for Donald Trump, lawyers that want to be associated with Donald Trump as well, be sanctioned over things like this. So maybe it's time for both these idiots and their lawyers to be hit with sanctions so that we don't have to endure whatever Plan C happens to be.
This is Hattie. Hattie wants to know why you have not subscribed to our channel. You obviously like our videos, so do us a favor and subscribe.